Today, we are making a quick, comforting prawn, pea and spinach coconut curry served with fluffy microwave quinoa rice. Here's what you'll need. Quinoa, basmati rice, red onion, olive oil, cumin seeds, ginger. We'll also need coconut cream, frozen peas, canned prawns, baby spinach, turmeric, and fonts. For this recipe, you'll need a sharp knife, chopping board, mixing bowls, colander, frying pan, spatula, tongs. Kettle and microwave to prepare the quinoa rice quickly. This entire dish comes together in just 30 minutes. The quinoa rice cooks in 15 minutes, rests for 5, and the curry finishes in under 10. Rinse the quinoa and rice 3 times, then microwave with boiling water for fluffy, perfect grains. Soften the onion, toast the cumin, then build flavor with ginger, garlic, and tomato puree. Add coconut cream, peas, prawns, spinach, and turmeric. Cook gently until perfectly tender. Serve over the quinoa rice and finish with fresh lime. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next episode.